Barbara Jackson, running for the Supreme Court.
All right.
Excuse me. Sorry, my throat. Thank you all for coming out this afternoon. This is just a tremendous crowd, and we really appreciate it. We've had great crowds all day, and we certainly want to thank Senator Burr for turning them out for us and including us on this tour with him. I always love to speak after Anne Marie because it allows me to concur with her statement of judicial philosophy, which is so eloquent that I could not possibly improve upon it. I am Judge Barbara Jackson. I've been on the Court of Appeals since January 1st of 2005. I'm now running for the Supreme Court with a conservative judicial philosophy. I'm your only Republican candidate for the state Supreme Court. We have 7 members of the state Supreme Court. This is the only seat that is up this year, so it's very important for me to have your vote to continue the Republican majority on the Supreme Court. I would like to share with you, thank you for having this ballot out here. It's very important. You see that the Republican judges are marked on here. We are nonpartisan. You need to go down that ballot and mark your Republican judges in order to vote for them individually. A straight ticket does not capture any of the judges. You see my name. You see Judge Sanford Steelman, who we're delighted is running unopposed. Judge Anne Marie Calabria, Judge Rick Elmore, and Stephen Walker, both Republicans, are seeking the same seat. Dean Poirier is running. And then at the very bottom, you see this very unusual seat with 13 people running. In that race, there are 4 Republicans. They're marked: Chris Dillon, Jewel Ann Farlow, Daniel Garner, and Doug McCullough. I certainly would like to draw your attention to Doug McCullough. He's one of our former colleagues on the Court of Appeals. He was an excellent judge and was defeated in 2008. So I would encourage you to support him in his efforts to return to the Court of Appeals. He's a former retired Marine. I got corrected on that before and apologize for any military folks in the room, but he's a great guy and an excellent judge. Again, I'm Barbara Jackson, your candidate for Supreme Court, and I'd appreciate your support. Thank you.
There's a couple of Marines, a couple of Air Force toads